Hello and welcome. If you are looking to install the Windows Event Log Collector within your Site Collector instance, then you are in the right place. My name is Sandra Ribeiro, and in this walkthrough, I will review the necessary steps for performing this installation, as well as demonstrate the installation. Before we get started, let's review a few considerations for the installation of Windows Event Log Collector. Confirm that all necessary ports are open within your Windows server and that the user performing the installation has the appropriate permission. Within your Windows Server environment, go ahead and open a PowerShell. You will need this to run an install script later on. In the Site Collector application, ensure you have an active Site Collector instance installed. You may also need to temporarily suspend services like Windows Defender. Now you are ready to dive into the installation process for the Windows Event Log Collector. From the home screen, find the Site Collectors tile and verify that there is a Site Collector installed in running state. Click on the Collectors Library tab, and you will see the Windows Collector tile. Click the Windows tile to reveal the installation configuration. You will see this process has been broken down into 3 steps: definition, data, and installation. Within definition, use the drop-down to select a Site Collector instance where you need the Windows event logs collected. This is populated with the site collectors you have already set up. And please note that the collector name will be auto-populated with the Windows machine name. Click Next after making your selections. Under step number 2, for data, this is where you can create a template or use an existing one. Templates enable you to filter logs by attribute values so you can focus on data that really matters. Enter a name for the template that you are creating and indicate ranges or use exclude to get granular with what data is collected. Click Create to save your template. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to use an existing template. Click Next once you've completed this step. Finally, to complete the installation, you will need to download the default certificate provided by Exabeam. This will establish a secure connection between your Windows Server and Site Collector. Next, copy the install script. Make sure the downloaded certificate is in the appropriate folder. Then pivot to your PowerShell and run the install script you have just copied. Before executing the command, make sure you are in the directory where you have put the downloaded certificate. This same command can be reused when creating additional Windows Event Log Collectors on other Windows machines. Within a few minutes, the Site Collector application will show the newly installed Windows Event Log Collector with an updated status under the Overview tab. Thank you for watching this video on how to install the Windows Event Log Collector within your Site Collector. You can keep learning by visiting our community for more resources.